Hello and welcome to the daily Nifty and Bank Nifty Insights with MJ. Let's study and explore the current stock market with the help of performance of Nifty and Bank Nifty. Today is 10th August 2020 and we'll be estimating the probable moves, resistance and support levels, buying and selling zones, along with a new emerging trend in Nifty and Bank Nifty for the next trading day, that's on 11th August. If you are new to our YouTube channel, please like the channel and subscribe it. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get latest uploaded videos. And also be generous to share the video with your friends and trading communities. If you look at the daily chart of Nifty, Nifty opened gap up. In fact, Bank Nifty also opened gap up in the morning with a bullish bias. But as soon as it reached almost the top of this distribution zone, the profit booking started. Right, and almost more than 50-60% of the gain which Nifty has made today, it lost in the process of profit booking. Overall, market breadth remained positive. Almost 32 stocks advanced and 18 stocks declined from the stack of Nifty 50, and Nifty managed almost 56 points gain and closed at 11,270, while as Bank Nifty gained almost 146 points and closed at 21,900. We had in our previous estimated that Nifty as well as Bank Nifty will be consolidating in the range of 11,100 to 11,350 and 21,370 to 22,090 respectively. That was based upon the data and trading pressure of participants from the previous day, and Monday, that means today, the indices traded well within the range with the volatility we had expected. Looking at the trend, Nifty has made a higher high and higher low. That shows the uptrend continues. And if you look at the pattern, the candlestick, it has made a doji kind of candlestick pattern that says indecisiveness, and at higher level because of the pressure, selling pressure and profit booking, Nifty refuses to go further up. So let's look at what kind of support and resistance levels are emerging here based upon the price action. If Nifty tries to go up 11,300, 11,341 and 11,390 are the immediate three level of resistance. However, if 11,390 is broken, 11,458 would be the fourth level of resistance which Nifty will get upside. And if Nifty falls on downside, you would see 11,240, 11,213 and 11,186 are three immediate level of support. But in case if 11,186 is broken, then 11,142 would be the fourth level of support, and below that there is a nice accumulation zone. And not only the price action zone is there is also a trend line, right? As the time is going by, we can see that the up channel of Nifty or ascending channel of Nifty is making it stronger day by day, right? So that's the price action. From the price action perspective, if I look at the trading range, I can say that 11,142 to 11,390 could be the next trading range for Nifty. You might be interested in how you can get the opportunity for trading Nifty tomorrow on intraday. So let's look at that now. This yellow zone, which is somewhere from 11,260 to 11,300, is a no trading zone. And if Nifty has a bullish pressure and it goes above 11,300 with a rising volume, you can take a long position, and 11,341 should be your immediate target. So almost 40 points gain in that. And if you get a continuation pattern, bullish candle continuation pattern here at 11,340, then only you should target for 11,390. Otherwise, you should book your profit here and look for shorting opportunities, because profit booking will be inevitable at this level. Now, on the downside, if Nifty slips below 11,260 or 250, you can look for next target of 11,213 and short your positions. There is a small bullish gap of today which is yet to be filled, and If at 11,213, if Nifty reverses from here, you can take a long position, book your profit in short, or if there is a continuation pattern with bearish bias or rising volumes, you can continue your short position with a trailing stop loss, and your next target would be 11,186. And at this zone, which is from 11,170 to 186, you can watch out for the candlestick patterns, or RSI, or whatever your trading strategy is, and along with the volume. If they are rising and they're giving you further shorting opportunity, then continue some of trades here downside, and some trades you can close and book the profit. If you continue shorter side of trade, then 11,142 would be your final target on downside. At this point, you should book your profit and look for long opportunities or the reversal. That's how you can trade Nifty on intraday. Let's look at how you can trade Bank Nifty on intraday now. Now, for Bank Nifty, from 21,870 to 21,938 or 940, that's no trading zone. And above than that, you have to ensure that Bank Nifty goes above than 21,900 for 80 or 90, right? Because there is a trend line here, and this will provide the resistance. Then your next target upside would be 22,064. That means almost 70-80 points. That may not be very good risk reward ratio for you, because there's a confluence of resistances here. There is this downtrend line, then there is a resistance level which stopped Bank Nifty going upside, and 22,090 is again a Fibonacci level, and there is a trend line, the daily trend line from which Bank Nifty has already fallen. So all this put together makes Bank Nifty slightly weaker, and I would personally prefer to trade Bank Nifty long side only after 22,090. And in that case, if it crosses that, yes, 22,252 could be my next target. That will provide me somewhere around 250 points. That sounds to be good risk to reward ratio. And if 22,252 is broken, 22,382 could be your next target. So let me rather extend this whole zone as a no trading zone, because upside risk to reward ratio is not good. Now, if Bank Nifty slips below 21,870, that means this trend line, the uptrend line would also be broken in that case. So from 21,850, let's say, you can trade Bank Nifty downside. Your first target will be 756. So that would give you somewhere around 110 points or so. And watch out at this zone, whether you have a bearish pressure here, or the trend is continuing downside. In that case, you can continue your position along with a trailing stop loss, and your next target will be 21,543. That means another 200 points can be added on your short side profit. And at this level, book profits and continue if you get continuation pattern here for the next target of 21,450. And at this level, you should book your entire profit unless until Bank Nifty becomes a very bearish, because that seems to be the lower trend trading range, 21,451 for Bank Nifty for tomorrow. That's how you can trade Bank Nifty. However, you'll need to be careful. What inputs you need to take out during your trading hours is one, from the international market, and we have witnessed that Dow Jones is making bullish moves for last 5-6 trading sessions. The market in US is expecting a special stimulus package which has been announced by Donald Trump. And at this point of time, for next few months, this market is not going to fall. At least it will be sustaining above 200 days moving averages. This is what is visible here. November is the election time. That's where the markets are going to be either in consolidation zone or slowly rising. And you need to watch out this tomorrow, because if it goes out of this distribution zone, that means if Dow Jones goes above, this is the future of Dow Jones. That's what you need to monitor. 27,700. If it goes above than that, you would see a bullish move happening here, and there could be 1.5 to 2% further upside on Dow Jones, and this will impact our market. That's where it is very crucial for you to watch out the live data of this market as well. Now, if we look at some of the data points that will also help us in understanding sentiments of our market, right? So since market closed at 11,270, so 11,300 will be our ATM strike. And around this, we can see that on the put side, 7.5 lakh new contracts have come up, and overall 1.1 million contracts in open interest at 11,300 on put side. That will provide us support one if the market moves 30-40 points above than that. And below than that, at 11,200, good put writing has happened, but overall open interest is more than 2 million, so that's support 2. And if market goes below 11,200, 11,100 will act as a support 3, so almost 2 million contracts there. It seems the bulls have created good amount of you can say a defense at these strike rates, and below 11,100, 11,000 is maximum open interest. That will work as S4. So since this is the maximum open interest, we can say that 11,000 is the lower side of range. And generally it's 100 to 200 points below, but you can see this time it's almost 275 points below. So the downside support levels have broadened. And let's look at on the call side what has happened here. On the call side, you can see at 11,100, 11,200, 11,250, call unwinding has happened. It shows that bears are losing confidence on Nifty. Now, but at 11,300, which is around 30 points above today's closing, not much of call writing has happened, but overall open interest is 2.3 million, so that will work as R1. And tad above that, 11,350, small amount of call writing, but overall good open interest. And slightly above than that, so it could work as a R2. And slightly above than that, at 11,400, you can see 4 lakh new contracts, overall 2 million contracts. So that can work as R3. And if R3 is broken at 11,500, you can see 2.5 million contracts. So that will work as R4. And that is the open maximum open interest on call side. So we can say that this could be the upper limit for tomorrow. So that means if you see even the upside also at the higher strike rates, the call writing has shifted. So we can say that on downside also range shifted, and upside also the range has shifted. That means we are expecting volatility tomorrow and wild swings. If not tomorrow, then it might be before this option chain expires. And at lower level, lower level on the put side as well as on the call side, you can see good amount of open interest, which is more than 1 million. So that also talks about, this can be viewed as one, that the participants are not decisive in a narrow range. So they are writing calls and puts at wider range to earn more for time value and reducing their risk, right? This can be construed as that. The PCR of this option chain series, which is expiring on 13th August, is 1.21, which is slightly increased from previous option chain. So that shows neutral to bullish bias. Right, and if you conclude from option chain and the price action, we can say that the next trading range is 11,100 to 11,390. As the market is already in an overbought zone in daily as well as in weekly chart, so we can expect some consolidation at this level. If Nifty goes above than 11,345, it may lead towards 11,550. However, if it slips below 11,050, then it will go downside on 10,900. right? And on the Bank Nifty side, if we look at Bank Nifty daily chart, you can see that the range from for Bank Nifty is from 21,450 to 22,400, and uh, Bank Nifty seems to be further weaker. The downtrend still continues here, and there, even if you see that, although the Nifty has across the downtrend line, Bank Nifty could not, although it's slowly moving in up direction. So you need to look out for the fresh data apart from the candlestick charts, which obviously you will be looking in a daily, uh, you know, uh, as a routine while you are doing intraday trade. So watch out for fresh data from, option chain, as well as from the US market, and quarterly data of, companies. Like today, the pharma was up because Cipla results were good, and that took a couple of other pharma companies like Lupin up by 9%. So watch out the large Nifty 50 companies. Uh, Tech companies in US are declaring their results, and they are good. That's what is driving the Dow Jones. So, and Dow Jones has direct impact on our market. That's where you also need to watch out that on a 15-minute chart. I hope this analysis is helping you to navigate through the market confidently and with profitable trades. Thank you very much for watching the video. To get latest information, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notification on our latest videos. To learn stocks, derivatives, commodities, trading, investing, technical or fundamental analysis, you can request for videos uh, of your choice in the comment box, right? You can also write in your questions in community tab here. We have started a question answer session, which is now scheduled on Wednesday, 12th August from 5 o'clock to 6 o'clock, 5 to 6 p.m., right? Not in the morning. So you can shoot your questions here in the comment box, and those questions will be answered during the live question answer session. And you can also ask the questions during live session. Right, and there are many videos, friends, which we have created for you at in our YouTube channel, which you can always utilize for enhancing your knowledge. The videos are about technical analysis, entry, exit systems, trading like pro, or data analysis, or our daily analysis, which can enhance your knowledge. Thank you once again for watching and liking the video. Please share the video with your friends and concerned traders who can also be benefited from quality knowledge and analysis. Good luck, happy trading, happy investing.